This is day 5 of our 30-day English practice challenge. Yesterday, we finished the most common conversation in English. Today, we talk about money, prices, and paying. You need this everywhere. In a shop, in a cafe, in a taxi. If you can understand prices and pay with confidence, you can survive anywhere in English. Remember how this works. I say every phrase 2 times. After each one, there is a pause. That pause is for you. Say the phrase out loud. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Saying prices. Imagine a price tag. $4.50. There are 2 ways to say it. The long way, $4.50. And the short way, which native speakers use almost every time. $4.50. Repeat after me. $4.50. Again. $4.50. That's it. Dollars, then cents. No extra words. Let's try more. $9.99. Repeat after me. $9.99. Again. $9.99. $12.25. Repeat after me. $12.25. Again. $12.25. And for a round number, it's even easier. That's $20. Repeat after me. That's $20. Again. That's $20. Part 2. Asking about prices. You see something in a shop. There is no price tag. Here is your question. How much is this? Repeat after me. How much is this? Again. How much is this? For more than one thing, the question changes a little. How much are these? Repeat after me. How much are these? Again. How much are these? Is, for one thing. For many things. And if the price is too high, don't just walk away. Ask this. Do you have anything cheaper? Repeat after me. Do you have anything cheaper? Again. Do you have anything cheaper? This is a polite, normal question. Nobody will be angry. Shopping in English is easier than you think. And when the price is good, and you want it, say this. I'll take it. Repeat after me. I'll take it. Again. I'll take it. 3 little words. I'll take it. That's how you buy something in English. Part 3. Paying. You're at the register. The cashier says, that's $9.99. Now what? First question. Card or cash? Here is how you ask. Can I pay by card? Repeat after me. Can I pay by card? Again. Can I pay by card? Or the other way. Do you take cash? Repeat after me. Do you take cash? Again. Do you take cash? You can also just hold up your card and say, card, please. Simple works. Now, 2 small phrases that make you sound like a pro. In a taxi, or at a cafe, if you don't want the coins back, say this. Keep the change. Repeat after me. Keep the change. Again. Keep the change. And if you need proof of payment, for work, or just to check the price, ask this. Can I get a receipt, please? Repeat after me. Can I get a receipt, please? Again. Can I get a receipt, please? Part 4. The price quiz. Let's train your ear. I will say a price, one time only, like a real cashier. You say it back in the pause. This is exactly what happens at the register. Ready? $7.25. Say it back. $7.25. $18.50. Say it back. $18.50. $13.99. Careful. 13, not 30. Say it back. $13.99. $30. Say it back. $30. And one more. A price under $1. 99 cents. Say it back. 99 cents. When the price is less than $1, we say cents. 99 cents. Well done. Your ear is getting sharper already. Part 5. Real conversation. Let's put it all together. A full shopping moment, from question to payment. Just listen first. Excuse me, how much is this? It's $15.99. Do you have anything cheaper? This one is $9.50. Perfect. I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Of course. Can I get a receipt, please? Here you go. Have a nice day. Now it's your turn. I am the cashier, and you are the customer. Answer in the pauses. Ready? Hi there. This one is $13. Or did you want the cheaper one? Good. Now ask me about paying. Sure, we take cards. Here's your receipt. Have a nice day. Fantastic work. You just shopped in English, asked about the price, and paid. That is real life. Quick recap. I say each phrase one time. You repeat one time. Ready? How much is this? How much are these? Do you have anything cheaper? I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Do you take cash? Keep the change. Can I get a receipt, please? Excellent. Numbers, prices, and paying. Complete. Here is your challenge for today. I will write a price in the comments, and you write how to say it in words. And tell me, card or cash? Which one do you use? I read the comments, and I will reply to you. Day 5. Complete. You did a great job today. Practice this lesson again tomorrow morning, and those numbers will never trick you again. If this lesson helped you, press the like button and subscribe for day 6. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.